morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show.
Today is Wednesday, October 7th, 2020.
Please stand for the pledges of the flags.
I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence. Thank you, and please have a seat.
Today is National Walk to School Day.
To celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month, today we are going to recognize activist Sophie Cruz. Sophie Cruz became famous in 2015, gave the Pope a letter asking for support for the U.S. immigration policy of DAPA. She has since met with President Obama, spoke in front of the Supreme Court building, spoke in front of thousands at the National Women's March in 2017, and started in her own documentary. Sophie will turn 10 this December.
That's young. Now for today's weather. Today in Tilton, we'll have a mostly sunny skies with a high of 88 and a low of 62.
Today in history, in 1956, the first perfect game was pitched in a World Series by Donald Larson. A perfect game is when no hitters reach first base.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Mackenzie, what happens when you tell a peanut a joke?
I don't know.
It cracks up.
Here's a message from Miss Hamilton.
Hello, Falcons. Do you have a family member who has served in the military? Honor your veteran this year by submitting either a photo or a video to me, Miss Hamilton, for the Veterans Day video. Submissions are due by Monday, November 2nd. Be sure to ask me for more details. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. That's all for today.
Let's
say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Matthew.
And I'm Mackenzie.
Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum.